I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pesto linguine using an easy method. This classic Italian dish is incredibly simple to prepare, perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a delightful weekend lunch. We will focus on fresh, vibrant ingredients to create a truly authentic flavor. You will be amazed at how quickly you can bring this flavorful meal to your table, ready to be enjoyed by everyone. Let's get started on this culinary journey. First, let's craft our homemade pesto. Lightly toast about 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. This enhances their flavor. Then, in a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 peeled garlic cloves, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/3 cup of good quality olive oil. Blend until you achieve a smooth, vibrant green sauce. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now let's perfect our linguine. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add 12 ounces of linguine and cook according to package directions, typically for 8 to 10 minutes, until it is al dente, meaning tender but still firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water. This will be crucial for achieving the perfect pesto consistency. Drain the pasta thoroughly but do not rinse it. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Transfer the warm, drained linguine to a large mixing bowl. Add your freshly made pesto to the pasta. Gently toss to coat every strand evenly. If the pesto seems too thick, gradually add a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved pasta water until you reach your desired creamy consistency. Garnish with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese and serve immediately for the best flavor. Enjoy your easy and delicious pesto linguine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.